Are you able to see my screen? 1 second, I'll just take a look. Okay, are you able to see the full screen? If you have no noise in the background, please unmute yourself. This is going to be an interactive session, so I want each of you to talk. Okay, so shall we start the class? ಯಾರು ಸದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಕತೆ?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody
Yes,
on
ma'am.
mute?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please don't be on mute. If you can participate, please participate. Okay. So everyone here, good evening, everybody. I just want to recall from the last class. In the last class, we have already practiced simple present tense, right? Do you all remember? We spoke about the daily activities that we do from the time we wake up till we sleep. I mean, till afternoon, I think. Yes, till afternoon, right? Who is here? Akkama. Okay. Akkama, remember? Meghana, I think you can unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Manjuna. Yes. Okay. So we practiced this yesterday in the previous class. Did you all practice again at home? Did you? No? Okay. So shall we practice now again, once again? Look at this. This line is called the subject line, right? Yeah, this is a subject line. So this is the subject and this is the verb. We practiced this in the previous class. I wake up or my mom wakes up. I drink coffee. My mom drinks coffee. We practice this, right? So can anyone volunteer to read this out for me? Make at least 3 sentences using this subject and this verb. Who will volunteer? ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಶನಿವಾರನ? Everyone bored? Sad that you have to sit here in the class? Meghana, unmute. I think Hanumantu or Venkatesh should get inside the class. Only then it will. Venkatesh, I think you are silent. You have to unmute and speak. Only you can make the class spirited. Isn't it?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Venkatesh. Venkatesh, can you make 2 or 3 sentences using these?
Yeah, ma'am.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, please.
It's,
Okay. Can you please do this? Work on this.
yeah, ma'am. I wakes up.
I wake up, wakes up.
I wake up. He wakes up.
Yes, I wake up.
I wake up. You
Mhm.
drinks. I wake up.
Uh,
You drink coffee.
okay.
He
ಹ್ಮ್.
prepared breakfast.
ಓಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್
She
ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಈಗ ನಾವ್ ಇವಾಗ ಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
yeah, ಬರುತ್ತೆ madam.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Is preparing.
He
Prepared.
prepared. We are talking about simple present tense.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's what, ma'am. He prepared, ma'am.
Prepares.
Yeah, prepares. Prepared.
Prepared ಅಂದ್ರೆ
He,
past tense ಭೂತಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು. We are not doing past tense.
yeah, ma'am. He prepares breakfast.
Okay. Okay. Anybody else?
She
ಇವರು ಹೆಸರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡಬಹುದು.
lunch. She had.
Who is that? Anybody wants to speak?
She has lunch.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Venkatesh. So next person who wants to do this?
Ma'am,
Yes. Who is that?
Meghana, ma'am.
Okay, Meghana. Can you make?
I wake up early in the morning.
Okay. Only there.
She
ಅಷ್ಟೇ
drinks
ಮಾಡಿ.
coffee.
Okay.
She drinks coffee at evening.
Hmm.
He prepares for the exam.
He prepares for the exam. Good. Good. Very good. So we'll go to the next slide. I just want you people to take a look at this. Can you see this? Are you able to see the screen?
Yeah, ma'am.
Hmm? Yeah.
But
The third
same slide
now
is
have to go-
showing, ma'am.
Yeah.
Same slide is showing.
One second. One second. One second. I think I'll just try to shift the network. One second. Can you see it now? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
seeing, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can see that.
Now you see here we have subject. Earlier we had subject. After that we had only the verbs. Verbs is action, right? And then here we have time. Can you see that? Meghana was saying in the morning, in the evening, right? We have it here, right, Meghana? So now, will you frame sentence? I wake up in the morning. Okay, can somebody frame sentence using these columns? And I want you to notice something and tell me what it is. Akama.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please make the sentence using these.
I wake up in the morning.
In the morning. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. I think your voice is breaking.
I wake up in the morning.
Hmm.
You drink.
Hmm.
You drink coffee.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಟೀ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Tea. Tea.
Yes.
Tea, madam.
Yes.
Tea. You drink tea.
Hmm.
She
Okay.
He
Next,
makes
who else? Who else wants to speak? Kanakraju?
Ma'am.
Can you speak? He? ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದು?
Yes, ma'am. First class, ma'am.
Oh, okay, I understand. Okay, we'll give chance to others. Sanjana, I'll come back to you, okay? First class ಬರ್ತಿರೋರು, I'll request you again, if this is your first class, please watch the previous videos before you attend the class. That helps, okay? You all should do that. Please watch previous classes. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Manjuna, this is your first class? No, right?
No, madam.
Okay, can you speak?
Okay.
Yes.
He prepares breakfast.
Okay.
and evening.
Names. Write some name there. Vijay.
Vijay.
Okay, Vijay.
Vijay hears the music at night.
Here's the music ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Hears music at night.
At night. Vijay hears music at night. So I want you people to have a look at this, okay? Whenever we speak about time in a sentence, the adverb of time, whatever is here is called, this is talking about time, right? ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. This is time. ಇದನ್ನ adverb of time ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. This should always come at the end of the sentence. Remember that. ಕೆಲವು time ಅಲ್ಲಿ this will come in the beginning of the sentence also, but we will not get into it now. We are practicing short sentences, so let us focus on this now. Okay? When you make a sentence, when you talk about something, there is a subject here. You talk about some verb and some activities here, and then the time comes at the end. Okay? And if you notice, morning, you say in the morning, afternoon, in the afternoon, in the evening. But night is not in the night. In night, you don't say that. What do you say? At night. Midnight, what you say? At midnight. I will
night.
come in the midnight anta helala. You should say, I will come at night. Or I will come at midnight. Baki all it is. But night and midnight is always at midnight. At night. Remember? ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Can you please type K if you have understood this? You all there? Very good. Very good. You understood this, right? So now whenever you speak to somebody, remember, when you talk about a time, when will you come? What time will you come? I'll come in the morning. I'll come in the afternoon. I'll come in the evening. But when you talk about night, it is at night or at midnight. Remember this. Then, what do you say normally when you have to wish somebody? What is that you say? Morning ಏನಂತ wish ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Normally?
Good morning.
Very good. Afternoon?
Good afternoon.
Evening?
Good evening.
Night?
Good night.
Right.
Midnight?
Have a sleep dream.
See, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೂ ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ನೀವು 11 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯು ಸೇ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ,
Ma'am, you can tell instead of that, have a sleep dream, ma'am.
one second. We are not letting the person sleep yet. When we wish people, when you're talking to people, when you meet somebody, you will always use the word in the evening. Even if it is night, you say in the good evening. Okay? Whenever you talk to somebody in the evening or at night, you say good evening. If you say good night, means ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಅಂತ. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾರನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ತರ ರಾತ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯು ಕಾನ್ ಸೇ. ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸೇ ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ನೆವರ್ ಸೇ ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್. ಗುಡ್ ಗೋ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್, ಟೈಪ್ GE evening. This is not night now. Good night ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. If it is good evening, type GE. If it is good night, type GN. 9 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ you can't say good night to me. You have to be here. So you have to say GE only. Good evening. No good night. Okay? Okay. Somebody, Meghna has a doubt here. Ma'am, we and they, reach or reaches. Which one is correct? Okay. Whenever it is plural, what do you say? They reach. They reaches. They reach office in time. They reaches office in time. Which is right, Meghna? You can unmute and say.
They reaches office.
ನಾನು ಅವತ್ತೊಂದು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ನೆನ್ಪಿದ್ಯಾ? We said boys play, boy plays. Remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? There was a rule somewhere. Remember this? ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಮೇಘನ. ಸೊ ಬಾಯ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್, ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ವಿ ಪ್ಲೇ, ದೇ ಪ್ಲೇ. Remember this? I play. I and you are always considered plural. He, third person ಬಂದ್ರೆ plays. Okay? ಬರೀ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಎಸ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ. Everywhere else it is we play, they play, I play, you play. This column you use yes. Only here. Sita plays, Rama plays, reaches. Understood, Meghana?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope you got this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm removing it from here. Give me a minute. Okay, so you understood this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you understood this concept also. Whenever it is in the when you're talking about time, you should always use the word in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Only at night and midnight you use at night, at midnight. Okay? And until you sleep, you use the word good evening. You will not say good night. When you say good night, you are going out of that place. You are letting the other person sleep. And you don't say at midnight, good midnight, ಆ ಥರ ವರ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಹೊತ್ತು, ರಾತ್ರಿ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗಿದ್ರು, ಯಾರನ್ನೇ ಮೀಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಮಲಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೇಳೋ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. I hope you understood this. So we'll go to the next slide. Can you see this? Now here what happens now. Just now we said, right? Can you see my screen? You have all the subject here, the same verbs here, right? We just spoke about the time, adverb of time. Now this is also adverb of time. Whichever is larger, it will again come at the end. You address baritiralla elru. You all write address on the envelope when you have to post something. So in the address, what happens normally? Normally what happens is, first you write number. ಹೌದಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಾ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಾ? ಯು ಸೆಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎ ವಿಂಗ್, ಎಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ರಹೇಜಾ ಟವರ್ಸ್, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಸರು ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ರೋಡ್, MG road, say. Okay. After that, what you do? Which area is that? Let's say Yellappa. Square. Something, I don't know. Something is here. You just try to follow. Bangalore. Then you write Karnataka.
Yes.
Right? And then you write, if you want, you can write India,
Subject.
Asia, whatever. So here you follow this. First it is very small number. Little bigger, first floor. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಯ್ತು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ವಿಂಗ್, ಎ ವಿಂಗ್, ಬಿ ವಿಂಗ್, ಸಿ ವಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ರೈಟ್? And then you talk about the full tower, then the road, then the area. So slowly this becomes bigger. The picture grows, right? Similarly, when you talk in English or in any other, in English normally, what you do is, ಚಿಕ್ಕದ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಈವನ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೈಮ್. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. When is your birthday? Then you have to say that. For example, I will say some birthday. This is not my birthday, okay? Don't wish me on that day then. I'm just randomly telling you some birthday. Okay. When was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar born? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14th April, right? 14th is the smallest number, right? And then you are saying April, isn't it?
April.
Yeah. Then
14.
14th first. And then month ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1891, right?
Year.
Year ಬರ್ತೀರಾ. You say,
Yes.
talk about the year after that. Then
Yes.
what is that you do?
Birthday.
ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ಅದೇ ತರ ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಸ್ ದಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ 14th April, say Saturday. Sorry. Oh, some wedding, for example, 14th Saturday, April 2023.
Okay.
One second. Okay. Understood? So normally what you do,
Yes.
you talk about something small in the beginning, little bigger, and then the size slowly grows on. You have to remember this. So whenever you talk, you have to follow this method. Okay. I'll remove this because it looks a little odd here. This method you please follow. Okay. Can you make some sentence using these columns now? Any 2 sentences each of you, one by one. Who will be the first to do this?
I am going to read office.
Oh, you're in the office? Hello.
Everything.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you, or no? Somebody, Venkatesh,
Yeah, ma'am.
can you make sentence using that?
Yeah, ma'am.
I will tell, ma'am.
Please.
I drink water in the morning every day.
Very good. You understood that, right? How you follow. This is the structure of the sentence. You follow this structure. Anybody else? Meghana?
Yes, ma'am. They
Yeah, please.
visit Tirupati every year.
Very good. They visit Tirupati. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲ.
Tirupati every year.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Pick something from here. In the afternoon every year. Or
Okay.
on some auspicious day every year. During Guru Purnima every year. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿ. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
He
ma'am,
prepares.
Huh.
He prepares breakfast in the morning every day.
Oh, very good. Okay. Next. Somebody wanted to say. I can't see your names. Okay. I'm sorry, but you have to volunteer to talk on your own. Deepak,
Home.
yes?
I have a tea in the evening every day.
I have a tea, na?
I have a tea.
A tea.
Ah,
ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡುವ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟೀ ಕುಡಿತೀನಿ ಸಂಜೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೀ ಕುಡಿತೀನಿ ಸಂಜೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
tea kuta. I have tea. I have tea.
ಹಾ, ಒಂದು ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ,
Yes, madam. I have tea in the evening every day.
ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್?
They visit Tirupati every year.
At soon every year. Okay, anybody else? Next, ಅಷ್ಟು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿದೆ? There is nothing to think. See here, I'm telling you, people have no problem with your English. Problem is with your confidence. That's it. ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನೇ ಓದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Just ನೀವು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಓದ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Yeah, please.
Ramesh hears music at night every day.
Every day. Very good. Anybody else?
Vritika reaches home in the evening from school. Vritika, she is my daughter.
Okay.
Vritika reaches home in the evening every day from school.
Okay, from school. Okay. Reaches home from school. In the evening.
We reach home.
Time end of the sentence. Time end ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ. Okay. Anybody else?
She has lunch in the afternoon every day.
Weekend ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ.
Weekend.
ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Weekend ಗೆ
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Try to use the same words there and make frame a sentence.
ತಿಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
We reach home. We reach home during
We reach home at midnight during weekdays. Traffic ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. Or during weekends traffic ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
During weekends.
You can do that, right? Okay. Then?
Yes, ma'am. They visit Tirupati in the morning during weekends.
Okay, very good. So, did you understand how to frame sentence? Structure of a sentence? So,
Yes,
day
ma'am.
before yesterday, we had this practice where we were talking about the daily activities that we do from morning till evening. Can someone do that for us now? Somebody volunteers to do that exercise, because I have to take you to the next level. Before that, I want to see if you have practiced it. One of you can practice it, right? Yes. Who is that? Who is going to say that? Sanjana? Anybody wants to speak?
She prepares breakfast in the morning during the weekends.
ಜಗ್ಗಿ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಹಾಕುಮೆ.
Okay, is it audible now?
Yes,
Meghana,
ma'am.
can you please
Yes,
speak?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Meghana, can you please make sentence using these? I'm sorry. This, you remember this, right? We did it during our initial days. I do not drink tea. He does not drink tea. Remember?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
We
Yes,
did
ma'am.
this, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Today we will see how we can convert, make somebody there, a little bit of disturbance. Can you please avoid that? ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಈಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಓಕೆ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ನೌ
I don't wake in the morning.
I don't wake up in the
Morning.
morning. I don't wake up in the morning. Very good. Okay.
Same, ma'am. He don't wake up
He,
in the morning. He
he
don't
don't,
wake up in the morning.
He does
He-
not.
He does not.
He
he does not.
Wake up in the morning.
drink
Wake up in
Yes.
the morning.
Very good. He does not drink in the afternoon.
Afternoon.
Okay.
She does not drink in the morning.
She ಬಂದಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಬರೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
Okay, madam.
Okay.
She does not drink in the morning.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮಮತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಮ್ ಮಮತಾ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ
Mamta does not have lunch in afternoon.
ಇನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್
In the afternoon.
ಇನ್ ದ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್
In
Okay.
the afternoon.
ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕೊಲೋಕಿಯಲ್ ತರ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ
Yes, yes.
ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಯಾಕೆ ದ ಹಾಕೋದು ಅಂತ ಉದುರಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸ್ ಓಕೆ
Yes.
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good
Who's that?
evening. Channabaswamy.
Madam,
Yes,
Harsha
Channabaswamy.
does not prepare breakfast in the morning.
Oh, he makes breakfast in the afternoon?
In the morning.
Okay, okay, good, good, very good. I'm just disturbing you so that you don't get, stuck with what you're saying. I want you to reply. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then,
Ma'am, good evening.
good evening, Channabaswa, right?
She does not prepare breakfast in the morning.
Okay.
Negative sentence, ma'am.
One more sentence. Put some
We
name.
does not
There is a
read.
column for name, right?
We does
We
not
does not
read home
We
at
does
night.
not, we do not.
We does
We
not
does not, we do not.
reaches home at
Sure.
night.
Can somebody correct?
we do
He
not
does not.
hear
We
does
do not. We
we
do
do
not.
not hear
Hmm.
music at night.
We do
At
not
night.
hear music at night. See, we ಅಂದಾಗ do ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes.
ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವಾಚ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್. ಹಂಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಿ. Okay, I'll take class again. I don't want to repeat the same thing here because people who have attended will get bored.
Just send the link of last classes, ma'am.
Yes, we will do that. It's there in the group. We will send you the links. Okay?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
You please message me. I'm there in the group. You can message me. I'll send you the link. No issues. Okay?
Yes.
Or you can take a screenshot here. Can you please take a screenshot of this?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. I do, you do, we theyಗೆಲ್ಲ do ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Only for this you use does.
Does.
Okay? So when you come here, since you have used yes here, you need not use yes in this column also. ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ yes use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So you don't have to use it here again. Meghana, you are clear with this? Because subject verb agreement is very important when you speak English. Okay? ಇಲ್ಲಿ this is negative sentence. I wake up in the morning ಅಂತ ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ I wake up in the afternoon on Sundays, every Sunday.
Yes.
Here you say I do not wake up in the afternoon every Sunday.
Sunday.
You only added a negative word here. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay?
Yes.
Let's go to the next. Can you please make sentence using these?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Please make sentence.
They don't drink tea in the morning.
Very good. On during weekends. ಇದನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ
During weekend.
Okay. Anything. Okay. They. Next. ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದು? This is sentence structure. Okay. ಮೊದಲು ನೀವು ಬರೀ I wake up, I drink tea ಈ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉದ್ದ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆನೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಯು ನೌ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್?
Do not visit Tirupati in the morning.
Every year.
Every year.
Okay. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
ತಿರುಪತಿ
she
ಬಿಟ್ಟು
does
ಬೇರೆ
not.
ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿಯಪ್ಪ. ಬರೀ ತಿರುಪತಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವಾಗ್ಲಿಂದ 7-8 ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು only ತಿರುಪತಿ.
Madam, Harshita does not hear music. Harshita does not hear music at night every day.
Every day. Very good. Very good. Harshita, don't hear. It's not good also. Okay. Next. Next. Who wants to say?
She does not have lunch in afternoon. In the afternoon.
In the afternoon during?
Every day. Every day.
You know,
During
during
the
weekends.
weekends.
Weekend.
You know that, Madi. Okay. Try to make a meaningful sentence using those. Okay. Anybody else?
Yes.
Siddesh.
Radhika does not drink the coffee in the morning Every day.
Who else? Subject. This was practiced. You practice these two. By adding don't and doesn't, you made that sentence negative. ನಾನು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಐ ವೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಸೆಡ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಕ್ ಅಪ್, ಐ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಟೀ, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಟೀ. He prepares breakfast, he doesn't prepare breakfast, right? So next what we do is we are talking about question sentences, interrogative sentence. ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Does he?
ಅದೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ನ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ನಾನ್ ಬೆಡ್
one small
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ
doubt,
ಅಂತ
ma'am.
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
Ma'am, I have one small.
Who's that, Venkatesh?
Ma'am,
Do I wake up in the morning?
No.
I don't know. You have to tell me, dear.
Don't I wake up in the morning?
I don't know. Your mom will have to take.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No, I'm just making fun. It's okay. Very good. The sentence is perfect.
ma'am, during the exam,
Yes.
she does not have any preparation. Is it okay, ma'am?
Okay.
During the exam, she does not have any preparation.
She doesn't make any preparation during the exam. ನನ್ನ ಟೈಮ್ ನ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು.
Okay, ma'am.
It becomes.
Do you go to
more
college every day?
I don't know. You have to tell me. I don't go to college.
Does he
Good.
prepare
Correct sentence.
breakfast?
Yes.
Does he prepare breakfast in the morning?
Does he prepare? Yes. Very good. Okay, this is not question tag, Channabaswa. This is only question. Question tag is different. For example, I'll just take you through that. One second. Look at this. Okay. One second. See here.
Amma Shivani.
Wake up in
Amma.
the
Hey.
morning, right?
Amma.
Hello.
Amma.
Hello.
Mirchi ತರಬೇಕಮ್ಮ.
Hello. Okay. Mute ಮಾಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. I wake up in the morning. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ, this is called one simple sentence. I wake up in the morning. Question ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, do I wake up?
Do I wake up in the morning?
Morning. This is question. Question tag means, sorry, I wake up in the morning. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ don't I ಅಥವಾ
Do you
Do I?
study in the morning?
do you study
you
in the
stu-
morning is a
Do you study in the morning?
simple sentence. Very good. ಅದನ್ನ question tag ಮಾಡಿ.
Do you study in the morning?
ಇಲ್ಲ, you study in the morning.
I do not study in the morning.
Don't you study in the
ಒಂದ್
morning?
ನಿಮಿಷ. ಈಗ ಚನ್ನಬಸವ ಅವರು ಚನ್ನಬಸವ ಅವರು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಐ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ದ ಫಾಂಟ್ ಸೈಜ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಐ, ಡು ಐ, ಡಸಂಟ್ ಹಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ discussing question tags now. We are only discussing interrogative sentence. Okay. This is simple interrogative sentence without question tags. So let us work on this now. Okay. Please continue. Speak. Do I? Sentence ಮಾಡಿ. Channabaswa, I'm sure your doubt is clear, right? If you have doubt, you can ask me. Unmute ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು question ಕೇಳಿ. Chat ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. You can talk. I want you to talk, not no. Yes.
Don't think I am very silent.
Who is that? Who is
Venkatesh.
that? You are not silent, Venkatesh, right? You are not silent, Venkatesh. Don't worry. Don't think I'm very silent. Very good. That is a way you use the, frame a negative sentence.
Ma'am,
If you have to make it a question, what do you do, Venkatesh?
Don't they go to Bangalore?
Don't you go to Bangalore? Yes. Somebody there wants to speak?
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, do you have your supper at 8 p.m.?
Very good. Nice sentence. ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Do you have?
Does not.
Don't you?
Don't have.
Don't you have?
Don't you have?
Now, okay.
Don't you,
Listen.
don't you have common sense?
Come on here, you're scolding somebody or what? I don't know, Venkatesh. You have to identify and tell me. Seriously. I don't know. I think I've lost it. Okay. See, first what we did, I have breakfast. Nan breakfast ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I have breakfast in the morning. ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ breakfast ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I have breakfast in the morning every weekday or every day. So, ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನಾಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, I don't have breakfast in the morning. We said, I don't have breakfast in the morning. ನಾನು breakfast ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ನಾನು ಏನೇ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಡೋಂಟ್, ಡಸಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ. I don't go to office every day. He doesn't like mangoes. He likes mangoes. He doesn't like mangoes. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ does he like mangoes? Does he like mango? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಂಗ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಡಸಂಟ್ he like mango? ಓ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ವಾ? You ask, no? Doesn't he like mangoes? Oh, okay. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ these are called the various way of making sentence. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ವರ್ಬ್ ಅದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೀ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋ ನಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ you can make different types of sentence and make sure the time aspect of anything will be at the end of the sentence. That is called adverbs of time. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay? And in between you wanted to know what is question tags. Question tags ಅಂದ್ರೆ sentence full ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ you will add this one. Do I? Don't I? Isn't he? Doesn't he? ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ question ಕಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we have question in the syllabus. When we do that, I will elaborately teach you that. But just because he asked, I wanted to help you people. Okay? Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ನನಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you have to make a list of activities that you do from morning till evening. I might ask you to make negative sentence, interrogative sentence or anything else from that. Okay? But I want you to come prepared with those list of activities. Other than that, I want you also look into this one. Okay? Normal agi numbers na heltivalla, you know these numbers, right? All of you. If you know, type N. Numbers N. Please type N in the group, in the chat. I want to know how many of you are active. That's why. N numbers. Very good. Okay. This is how you say how much mangoes you want. 10, 4, 5, whatever you want. You say 40, 1 dozen, 50, 100, whatever it is. Other than that, you also have ordinals, or ordinals are used when you talk about birth date or ranking. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾನು 1 ಜೂನ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವ ನಾವು, 1 ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. Can I say that?
No.
No,
No,
what
no,
you say?
no.
You say
First,
1st
First,
August, right?
1st
first,
August.
second,
I
third.
will take first
22 January ಗೆ meet ಆಗೋಣ. Will you say that?
No, ma'am.
What do you
We'll
say?
meet in 24.
First January
1st
or
August.
2nd January.
22 ಆದ್ರೆ
22nd January.
22nd.
these are called ordinals. Okay, so you have to remember only when it is talking about some number directly, you say the numbers. Otherwise, you use ordinals. 21st. When is your birthday? You say any date. When is your birthday? Anybody can say this.
22nd.
Month.
22nd July. July.
22nd July. Yes.
January 22nd.
January 22nd. Usually, ನಾವು ಚಿಕ್ಕದ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಂತ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ. Okay, you can say it both the way. Okay. Then, when was Gandhiji born? Gandhi Jayanti is on
2nd October.
2nd October.
Independence Day,
August
August
15th.
15th. August 15th.
15th. Ala? You got your CET results. What was your rank?
53rd rank.
Second rank.
First
Second
rank.
rank, 53rd rank, 500th rank.
Fourth rank.
I scored 500. I got 500. It's 500 rank, right? Understood? When to use
Yes, ma'am.
ordinals?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
so you have to remember what numbers are used during different occasions, ordinals are used during different occasions. And we also knew how to use do and does. First, we learned how to use do and does, and then we learned how to use it in negative sentence and in interrogative sentence. You all clear with that?
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು
Lift also you were
screenshot
reading.
ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
I want to go 6th floor. I want to go 10th floor.
Yes, I want to go to. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ
I want to
ಹೋಗೋದಾದ್ರೂ
go
ಟು
to 6th
ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ
floor.
ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ವರ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
Yeah, ma'am. I want to go to 6th floor.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ. ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ.
I want to go home.
I want to go to home.
Go to home.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಾದ್ರೂ ಟೂ
I
ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
want
ಹೋಗಿ
to-
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ
want-
ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ವರ್ಗೆ, ಬಟ್
I
ನಾಟ್
want
ಹೋಮ್.
to go my home.
I want to go to home.
No, I want to go home. There is no word as go to home. You say I want to go home. I want to go
I
to
want to
market.
go home.
I
So bus
want to
stand.
go.
But ಮನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you say I want to go home. No
Home.
to before your home, okay? Please
Okay.
remember this. ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಹೋಮ್ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೇ ಮೈ ಹೋಮ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ವೈ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಯಾಕೆ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಸೇ ದಿಸ್? ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ 6th ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ he left.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am. Is there, ma'am?
It says you Venkatesh went to 6th floor. Okay, so listen here. When you why do you say home and not house? ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ when you say ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅವಾಗ I use the word home. ಹೋಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂದು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಮೈ ಹೋಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೌಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಎನಿಬಡೀಸ್ ಹೌಸ್. I'll go home. I'll go to my father's house. I'll go to my aunt's house, my friend's house. Understood? ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆಯವರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೆನೂ ಹೌಸ್. ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೋಮ್. Clear with this? If you're
Yes,
clear,
ma'am.
please type H.
Please.
Understood? Very good.
Yeah, ma'am.
Which means even ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹೌಸ್ಗೂ ಹೋಮ್ಗೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹೋಮ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರದ್ದೇ ಮನೆ ಇದ್ರು ಹೌಸ್.
House.
ಓಕೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ನಾ ಟೂ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಗೋ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಐ ಗೋ ಟು ಮೈ ಅಂಕಲ್ಸ್ ಹೌಸ್, ಐ ಗೋ ಟು ಮೈ ಆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌಸ್, ಐ ಗೋ ಟು ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹೌಸ್, ಐ ಗೋ ಹೋಮ್. ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ ಐ ಗೋ ಹೋಮ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್?
Go home.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್
Yes.
ದಿಸ್. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಇವತ್ತು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೀಚ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಸಂಬಡಿ. ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು 4 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಿ. They will remember. You will
One of
remember.
my- Ma'am, one of my friend's house is very nice.
You are going there.
No, ma'am.
If you want to go, what will you say?
One of my friend's house is very nice.
I go to his house every weekend. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್
I go.
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಕಷ್ಟ? ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಬೇಡ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ his wife will chase you off. Right? Very
Yes.
difficult it is to get husbands at home. Even on weekend, I'm getting him for a few minutes and you're here. So it is not very good. Right, Venkatesh?
Yeah, ma'am.
So
Just
you,
I make sentence, ma'am. Nothing
very
else.
good. So you have to use that. I go to my friend's house. Okay? ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. We studied A and an ಅಲ್ಲ? ನೆನ್ಪಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
all studied this ಅಲ್ಲ? ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. But now we will practice it here. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ I don't want you people to forget what you have learned. Okay? ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. This is very important even for your exams.
She is a dentist.
A and an is used. She is
She is a
a
dentist.
dentist. This one? Yes, very good. Next.
The Ritesh is
This is this.
a expensive
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು
hotel.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ.
She is an engineer.
Very good. She is
He is an engineer.
okay. This one.
Okay.
The rich is very
The Ritesh is
expensive.
a
ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ
expensive,
ನಿಮಗೆ ಇರೋದೇ ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ ಎರಡೇ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕೋ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
a expensive hotel.
A expensive hotel, an
The
expensive
Ritesh
hotel.
An
an
expensive
expensive
hotel.
hotel.
An expensive hotel.
Hotel.
Yeah.
There is a Indian restaurant in this corner.
Very good. There is there
There
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
is a Indian
ಪುಸ್ತಕದ್ದು?
restaurant. Is there a
Is there a cheap hotel near here?
Very good. This one?
There is an Indian restaurant
there
in
is
this
an
corner.
Indian restaurant in the corner.
ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೈ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬರೀ ಲೆಟರ್ ವೈ ಚಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಹೊಸಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಅವಾಗ ವೈ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಟು ಇಟ್. ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋರಾದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು
This
This
is
is
animal.
This is an animal. This is an animal. This is a horse.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
This is a dangerous animal.
ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್,
This is a
a
dangerous animal.
dangerous animal.
This is
Very
a
good.
Animal.
dangerous.
Here,
I have old
I
book.
have a old book.
Old book.
old book, an old book.
I have
Ah,
An
ma'am.
old book.
ಅದು ಎ
I have
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
an.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು.
mm,
ಹೌದಾ?
I
ವೈ
have
ಆನ್
an
ವೈ ನಾಟ್
old.
ಎ?
I have a book, madam.
ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಬುಕ್. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಬುಕ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ ಯಾಕೆ? ವೈ ಆನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್
Old
ಓಲ್ಡ್
book
ಬುಕ್?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಎ ಇ ಐ
Very
ಓ ಯು
good.
ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ,
Vowels ಇದೆ ma'am.
ಎಸ್. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Vowel sounds ಇದೆ ma'am.
ವೌಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ವೌಲ್ ಇದೆ.
Sound.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್,
He met with an accident.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
He had a very bad
He had a very bad accident.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. This is a window.
This is
It is
an
an
open
He is an
window.
actor.
This is an open window.
ಎ ಓಪನ್ ವಿಂಡೋ, ಆನ್ ಓಪನ್ ವಿಂಡೋ.
An open window.
ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
O ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್, ವೆರಿ
he
ಗುಡ್.
is an
He is an actor.
It's a nice day.
It is a nice day.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
Can you give me a good example?
ಓ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Please
extend
example with an example.
ವಿತ್ ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್.
Example.
ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗುಡ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್,
The Nile is an African river.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
I brought
I bought a cheap umbrella.
ಬಾಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು?
Brought, ma'am, brought present tense, bought past.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ
Brought ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತರು ma'am.
ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದೆ ಅಂತ. ಬಾಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಂದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಖರೀದಿಸಿದೆ.
ಖರೀದಿಸಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ.
Okay.
brought, bought. Miss ಆಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನಿಸಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, very good.
Okay.
I have got an important question.
Very good. Ask, no?
This
There is a big black cloud in the sky.
There is a
this
big
is a black. There is a big black
Yes.
cloud in the sky.
cloud in the sky.
I
I
got
bought
a big hat.
a big hat.
Okay.
Is
Is
there
there
a
a
tired
Is there
student in the class?
Is there a tired student in the class? I will have
No.
coffee. I can't give you coffee, right? I will have coffee if you are tired.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
ಮರ್ತಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆನ್
Yes,
ಇಲ್ಲ
madam. Martilla, ma'am.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅದರದು ಐ ವಿಲ್
Okay.
ಟೇಕ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 words that end with GRY are hungry and angry. Okay? Please
Okay.
remember. ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 2 ಪೇಜ್ 3 ಪೇಜ್ ಬರೀ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಗೆ ಅಂತ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್. There, make a note. Only 2 words that end with GRY in English are hungry and angry.
Angry.
Okay? Will you remember this?
Yes.
Okay. Then, many people use this word, Allah. Please revert back. I will talk to him and then revert back. Please don't say that. There is no such word. Ondo revert helbeku, or I'll call you. Or I will come back to you. Revert to back eradu onde meaning adu. So I will revert by tomorrow. I'll revert by next week. Understood?
Yes.
You tumba use ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? I'll come back to you on this. So remember, never use 2 words together. Revert back. Illa. I'll revert by next week. Or I'll come back to you by next week. And then there is this called, what is your good name? Anta ide, right? Tumba jana ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, what's your good name? There is nothing as good name, bad name. Every name is good. So you have to say, what is your name? Don't say good name or bad name. Understood? ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, your good name please. ಹೇಳಿದಿರಾ? ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಆ ತರ? Your good name please. ಆ ತರ never use it. ಆ ತರ ವರ್ಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. You have to say
What is your name?
What is your name? There is nothing called as good name, bad name. Okay?
Yes.
ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಮೀ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್. Either you switch off the video or please be alert in the class because it's a lot of distraction in the class. Thank you for understanding. Okay. Understood? ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. We also studied about pronouns in the previous classes, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಮಾ ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೇಮಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೇಮಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಹೇಮಾ 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 ಅಂತ ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ? ಅವರು, ಅವಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನಾಮಪದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೌನ್, ಸರ್ವನಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸನು whenever we made sentence we use this form of the pronoun, right? First person, second person, third person, or third person plural, first person plural. You're familiar with this, right? You all know this?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ಈಗ ಅದು ನಂದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ we use these words. Please take a screenshot of this. If possible, you make your own table in your notebook. Okay? I want you people to make your own table. ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು ಜೆರಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ we don't study. ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay? Can you please take a screenshot and then write it down in your notes? India is my country. India is our country. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
ಅದೇ ತರ ಹೇಳಿ.
That is my book.
India is?
India
That is my
our
book.
country.
Yes. Our country. Can you use this? His. It is his.
Where is my
It
bag?
is his book.
This one.
They're all
Avara
very good.
shale.
There,
Avara shale.
there is
That
our
is,
school.
that
Their
is their school.
That is their school, ma'am.
Yes. See here, there are two words, there and there. There andre
Yes.
ಏನು?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅವರ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವರ ಅಂತ.
Our
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. there ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ,
ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ. This is there ಅವರ. ಇದು
there.
there. ಇದು there ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Where shall I keep this
ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
book? You keep it there. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇದು ಯಾರ book? It is their book.
There.
Understood?
Our.
ಇದು ಎರಡು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ನೋಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ಚಾಟ್ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
ನಾನು
We are
ಇವಾಗ
all in
ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ಬುಕ್ ಯಾರದ್ದು ಅಂತ. ನಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯುಲ್ ಸೇ ಮೈನ್.
Mine.
ರೈಟ್?
Who's this book, ma'am?
ಹೂಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್?
Mine book. This
Mine.
is
Book
mine
is
book.
mine.
ಮೈನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
This is mine.
Understood?
This is
ಮೈನ್
This
ದಿಸ್
is
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ,
mine.
ಮೈನ್.
mine.
ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್
Okay.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಫುಲ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈನ್.
It's
Right?
mine.
Whose
Yes.
shoes is this?
Mines.
It's mine.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೂ ಶೂಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ನ್ಯೂ ಶೂಸ್ ಯಾ?
That is yours.
It is. It is.
When it is you, it is mine, okay?
Yours.
You have to see yours.
It is yours.
Whose puppy is that? Puppy is Naiman. Whose puppy is that?
That is
It
hers.
is yours.
It is hers, or that is hers. Whose problem is that?
That is their problem.
Theirs.
Yes,
That is
yes.
their problem.
It's
Their problem.
theirs,
Yes.
not mine. Theirs.
Their
Understood?
problem.
ಇದನ್ನ ಅವರದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್?
Yes.
ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಐ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. Be prepared when you come. Okay? Here, these words, you see this object words, these always come at the end of the sentence. That is my book. Give it to nange kodi. Give it to
me. Me.
yes. Adu namma nai. Give it to
Me.
namma.
Us,
Give it
ma'am.
to us.
Us,
Give it
us.
to us. Give it to us. Adu avana pustaka. Give it
That
to
is him book.
That.
it is his book. Give it to
Give it to him.
give
Give
it
it
to
to him.
Give it to him.
It is their hockey stick. Give it to
Them.
give it to them. Understood? ಅವರಿಗೆ, ನನಗೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, we use it here. Understood?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
take a look at it, because in the next class, if you don't take a look at this, I won't be able to help you with the fill in the blanks. I'll give you some activities based on this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes.
ಇದು ನನಗೆ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. Who cut your hand?
Myself.
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 Jackal cut ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. I hurt myself. Right? Who hurt us?
Yes.
We ourselves. Who hurt you? Megha, who hurt you, Megha?
Yourself.
Yourself. Megha, you hurt yourself, not us. Who hurt Venkatesh? He?
My.
Himself.
Himself.
Who hurt Sanjana?
Herself.
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 She hurt herself. Right?
Yeah.
How did the puppy fall? Who dropped the puppy?
It
Itself.
fell itself.
It fell.
Itself.
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 Yeah. It fell. Itself. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು, ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ? In the next class, we will have some fill in the blanks and activities which will help you reinforce this learning. Okay. Now, English ಅಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರದೊಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾವಿನ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? I wake up.
We are
I do
here
not
only.
wake up. Do I wake up? Don't I wake up? ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay? I write. Do I write? I don't write. Then don't I write? ನಾವಿನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋದು ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೂ. We have not gone beyond this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
This is what we have studied today. Now we will have to read, understand all the other 11 tenses. This is the most difficult of all. Please remember. ನೀವು ಇದು ಕಲಿಯುವಾಗ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿ. ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ವಿಷಯ. ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? So we will focus more on this. Don't think that I'm boring you with simple present tense all the time. No, this is a little difficult compared to any other tenses. So we will focus more on this. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಡೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಡಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ we are practicing this.
Right.
Once you understand, it is easy for you to understand the remaining tenses. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. And I have a exercise for antonyms, ಅಂದ್ರೆ opposites. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ನಾನು fill in the blanks ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. If somebody asks you something, if you can't immediately answer, then there is no point learning, right? ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳೋ ಹಂಗಿರ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಪಟ್ ಪಟ್ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಬರೋ ಹಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. So I want you people to remember some of the opposite words. I will give you a small session on this one.
Small
Okay?
strength.
We'll have activities on that. Some activities will help you reinforce whatever you learn. Okay, so let us recall this once again. ಯಾಕೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ರು. So I'm skipping. ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರೋದು ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Please don't do that. Okay? ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆವಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, ma'am.
ಟೈಪ್ ಜಿ. ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನೋರು ಎನ್ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Because I see most of the people here are preparing for
No, ma'am. Grammar is very important, ma'am.
It is important, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Especially for competitive exams, you can't avoid it. You have to. So along with your learning, please reinforce your grammar skills also. Okay? One second. Give me a I have come to my Mysore house. I'm sorry for all the disturbance. I was in Bangalore, so it was a little silent. Here in Mysore, I have many people in the house, so everybody are busy. Okay.
It's okay, ma'am.
So anybody wants to talk today?
I wake up in the morning.
Who is this?
Akkama, ma'am.
Akkama. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Akkama. I didn't talk to you properly today. Talk, Akkama.
I wake up in the morning. He drink tea. He prepares breakfast.
Oh, you are saying this one?
Yes, ma'am.
I want you to say about your activities, Akkama.
Yes, ma'am. I wake up at 6 o'clock. And I mop the
Your voice is breaking. No, your voice is breaking.
Yes. I wake up in the morning. So, no, ma'am.
Okay. Hold the mic closer, no? I don't know. Somehow your voice is not very clear.
Hello.
Hello, yeah, talk now.
I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock, ma'am. I drink my brush and wash my face and sweep in the floor and prepare the food
ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ದ ಫುಡ್
and
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್
prepare.
ದ ಫುಡ್ ಆ ಫುಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಐ
ಸಾರಿ
ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಫುಡ್
ಫುಡ್ ಎಸ್
and I'm
You read
go to the
newspaper?
bath. Yes, no ma'am.
You can say
ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಐ ರೀಡ್
ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಐ ರೀಡ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್, ಐ ರೀಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್.
ಐ ರೀಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್.
ಹಾ, ಪ್ರಜಾವಾಣಿ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ.
I read ಪ್ರಜಾವಾಣಿ. I read ಪ್ರಜಾವಾಣಿ.
Or you can say I read the ಪ್ರಜಾವಾಣಿ.
I
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
read
ಪ್ರಜಾವಾಣಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನೇಮ್, ದ ಹಿಂದೂ, ದ ಪ್ರಜಾವಾಣಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ ಡೆಕ್ಕನ್ ಹೆರಾಲ್ಡ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ದ ಹಾಕಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
I ready.
I get ready for office.
I get ready for office.
Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಹನುಮಂತ್ ಅವರೇ, ವಾಟ್ ಶಿ ಡಸ್ ಯು ಸೇ.
Please, ma'am.
Whatever Akkama said now, you have to say Akkama wakes up in the morning. You have to say that like that. Say.
Ma'am, can I try,
Akkama
ma'am?
activities na ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ.
Akkama
Can you narrate
wakes
Akkama's
Akkama
daily
wakes early
routine?
morning.
Akkama wake up in the morning.
Akkama wake up, Akkama wakes up.
Wakes up, ma'am.
Akkama wakes up in the morning.
Yes, ma'am. She drinks tea.
Okay.
She prepare the food.
Prepare the food.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Prepare food.
Prepares food or prepares breakfast or makes lunch, whatever. Okay.
ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್.
ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಿ, ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡದೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೇ ಕೊಡಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಮನೆಗೆ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೇಳಿ. ಶಿ hello.
She gets ready for office.
She gets ready for office. ಗಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
She performed puja.
ನಾನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಗಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
She poured water to. She poured water. She waters water.
The plants. No, pour alla. She waters the plants.
She waters the plant.
Waters the plants. Okay. ಈಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಮೇಘ. Can you say Akkama ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Did not get up.
I don't wake up in the morning.
ಡಸಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Akkama
does not wake up in the morning.
Very good. Okay.
He does not drink.
She does not
drink tea.
Okay. ಈಗ ಐ ಹೇಳಿ.
I don't wake up in the morning.
Hmm.
I don't drink tea in the afternoon.
Okay.
I don't have tea in the morning.
Very
No,
good.
no, no.
Then ನಾನ್ ಕುಡಿಯಲ್ವಾ? ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಟೀ ಕುಡಿಯಲ್ವಾ? How do you say that? Don't I? ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ. Don't I drink tea in the morning? ನಾ ಕುಡಿಯಲ್ವಾ? ಡೋಂಟ್ ಐ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಂತ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what I want you to do is please take a screenshot of this. Not this. This. 1 second. Take a screenshot of this. All the participants, please.
Yes.
Okay. This you already have it, right? This also. Screenshot ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ರು. ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And I want you to practice these. We will not share it in the group. We want you to practice here because it makes sense ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? It won't help. And screenshot of this also.
Yes.
Over. Now this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Complete, ma'am.
Now this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Please practice this. We will meet in the next class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And ask your friends,
Yes.
whoever wants to join the class, they should watch the previous videos and come here. They can also ask their doubts in the chat, in the group. Whoever have not joined the group or registered, please register because we need feedback, okay? Whether to continue with the class, whether the class is okay, you need any changes, we need to understand. So you can please give your feedbacks or any comments in the group itself. Can you please do that?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Classes are going
And
very
very
good, ma'am.
shortly we are launching a program to train the trainers. ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So if any of you are interested, we can also look into that. Okay. Please interact in the
Okay.
group. Leave your feedback. It helps us better ourselves or make changes in the training programs. Okay. So thank you all.
Okay.
I think we are getting late. Let us wind up for the day. If you have any questions, ask me.
Ma'am, one small request, ma'am.
Yes, Venkatesh.
Whenever you are giving sentence, let us try our own sentence, ma'am. Suppose example, make sure. That sentence you can make our own sentence.
I will give
Make
you those
sure.
activities.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am.
You
Example,
want
make
that?
sure. Make sure your handwriting is good, like that.
Okay, I'll give you those kind of assignments. If you want, you can practice. I have a list of, they are called colloquials, okay? I'll give them to you. You can take a look and then practice it.
Yeah, ma'am. You can make
I
their
will
own
do that.
sentence. Try our level best, ma'am.
Yes,
That
yes,
is.
definitely. I will give
Yeah,
you a list and I'll help you with that. In the
ma'am,
next
thank you.
classes, we will add 20 every day. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, good night,
Thank you so
everybody.
much, madam. Thank
My
you so
pleasure.
much, madam.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Good night.
Please be regular in the classes, okay? It helps a lot. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
We
ma'am.
will,
okay, madam. Thank you. Thank you.
yes.
Sure, ma'am.
Good
Definitely.
night. Thank you so much, madam. Good night.
Good night.
Biryani.
So
Leave after the second.